In this video, I show you how to turn a USB stick into a bootable installer for your operating system of choice, using a free application for Windows called Rufus. To do this, you need a USB stick you're happy to wipe, the installer for your operating system of choice in .iso format, and the free application for Windows, Rufus. Firstly, download the .iso file you need from its publisher's website. That's Microsoft if you want a Windows installer, or Ubuntu or another Linux distributor if you want Linux. The .iso file type is a disk image format, so you can't just copy it over to a blank USB like you would any other type of file. Make sure that you've selected the correct USB stick. Now select the .iso file you want to send to it. Now start the process. You'll receive a few prompts along the way. Just follow Rufus's suggestions and you'll be fine. The process will probably take a few minutes depending on the speed of your USB stick and USB port. When you're done, you'll notice that your USB stick has a new name. This will indicate the operating system that you've installed on it. Now you can remove the USB stick and use it as a boot device on whatever system you want to install it on. You'll need to make sure that the PC you plug it into is set up to boot from the USB port first. You can watch my video on that subject to see how it's done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.